I think for me, Clover acted as an enabler. There was a lot of things I wanted to do from a process perspective. I thought we can automate this, or wouldn't it be cool if we had something to do that? And Clover gave me the tool.
Clover is a verb. That's what I would say. It's not a noun, it's a verb. So, because you can Clover things.
We have happier customers in the end, we have happier references in the end, and we're able to attain more work.
What Clover does is it gives us the tools to do it a lot more easily and in a lot more standardized way.
What we were able to do is take that entire process and go from manually cutting and pasting data, dropping it in, transforming it, double checking, making sure that if something didn't exist that we filled it in. Literally click a button, have it run our entire stream through the server, and then take all the outputs and then just upload them back in. We did it in 3 days. It's pretty impressive turnaround.
We looked at other tools and most of them fell short. The ones that had the capabilities didn't have the support, or they didn't have the documentation. They just weren't as good.
So that's really where Clover has kind of gone beyond what we initially had purchased it to be, which was just something to move data into a tool that really helps us develop process.
That price file alone would take us about 4 to 5 days to manipulate the data, and usually another 4 to 5 days just to import the data. And now with Clover, it takes us about an hour and a half.
So Clover to me has been I'll say lifesaver. It saves me hours of time. I'm going back to the original example of our one client where we were doing 3 weeks to do a build and we did it in 3 days.
Clover, from my perspective, is one of the most transformative tools that we've employed in our business.
It's been something that's given us a very unique name in our field and what we're doing.
I actually think of Clover almost every single time someone asks me to do something. If I can do it in Clover and write the graph, I'd rather take an hour to write a graph for something that I can rerun over and over again versus manually manipulating data any way, shape, or form on my own. No, just Clover's awesome. Like, it made life so much easier.